Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you get verified on Threads. So to get verified on Threads, you need to go to your Instagram account cause Threads and Instagram are linked together. So at first just go to your Instagram. Now in the Instagram, click the bottom last your profile icon. Now click the top right the three-line icon here. Now here you will find the meta verified option. If you don't find the meta verified option, you need to understand that your account has not been verified. So to verify your account, click on settings. Now just scroll here and click on help. Now click the first option, report a problem. Now again click on report a problem. Now click on include and continue. Now here you can type your problem or you can just copy me. And after typing this, just click the top right send. And after sending the message, the authority will try to help you as soon as possible. So guys, that's it. That's how you can get verified on Threads. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.